Hi guys, we are making a round buba today and I have 5 yards of lace fabric here. So we are cutting out the wrapper first, and for the wrapper we are going to be cutting the hip measurement of that person, multiply it by 2, and that is what you're going to use for your wrapper. So set that aside. Next thing, we are going to focus on the buba. For the buba, fold your fabric. We are using the entire length of the lace, so we are using the selvedge. Fold it into 2, then fold into 4. Now folding into 4, that means we are cutting the neck together. We are not cutting off the shoulder is cut together, and I folded using the hip measurement divided by 4. 1 inch is and 1 inch sewing allowance, so cut that out. Then we are going to move to the neck area. For this, I'm using 3.5 neck width and 4 inches neck depth. The client is a size 10, like a size 10, yeah. So that is what we are going to be using for the neck. Now we are going to talk about the sleeve later, the sleeve length, but let's focus on this first. So after cutting off this part, what we are going to do is just going to finish the neck area with our bias strip. That is all we need to do for that. So when you open it up, this is what we have. So now to get our opening, here is what we're going to do. But before that, let's just go ahead and cut our sleeve. So for the sleeve length, you're going to take your measurement from the middle of your neck down to where you want your sleeve to get to. Then you minus what you already have for the sleeve. Whatever is left is what you're going to use for your sleeve length. And for the folding, what you're going to use is your armhole opening. Then you had 2 inches or 2.5 inches, depending on how wide you want your sleeve to be. That is what you're going to use in cutting your sleeve. It is that simple and very, very straightforward. So after marking all of those measurements, what I'm trying to say about this length is this: if from the middle of your neck line, nape of your neck, down to where you want the length to be, if it is 30, let's say 30, and what you already have on your buba is already 14, that means your sleeve is going to be 16 inches. That is what you need to cover up for your 30 inches. Then you add your joining allowance. So that is what I'm trying to explain here. So after getting your length and your width, you cut that part out and you also set that aside. That is all we need to do for the sewing part, for the cutting part, before we now move to the sewing part. So that is our sleeves, and I set that part. So I'm going to, this part I'm just cutting out is just, I'm going to use as a rope to tie to the wrapper. Some people can really not tie wrapper very well. That is why you see people add rope to it, for his. So I'm going to use about 3 inches. That is 6 inches wide, not on fold, but after joining I'm going to be left with 3 inches, and I need 2 ropes for each side. So I'm just going to join it together on the sewing machine, then attach it to the edge of the wrapper. And the wrapper, I folded it using 2 inches rather. So now we are going to come back to our buba. Now we are going to mark our opening. Like I said, our opening is our armhole opening plus 2 inches. Whatever you use for your armhole, add 2 inches to it. Then from there, then you go down. You're going to go down. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Whatever you do for one side, you do for the other side. Then you stitch it down. Then remove 5 inches from the down part. This is just so you can easily wear your buba. So mark 5 inches, and that is where your stitching will stop. Now remember, our sewing allowance is 1 inch. So you're going to stitch from the armhole opening down to the 5 inches you left, and you're going to stitch on 1 inch for the buba. And also you're going to take your sleeves, also sew on 1 inch. I've already sewn that off camera, and here is what we have. Now this is the time to attach the sleeves to the body of the buba. Now you're just going to, I already sewed in my bias strip, but I'm going to use hand needle to finish up so that there is no sewing on the outside. And I'm also going to roll that opening. So now that part that I already notched, so that for easy placement, I'm just going to take my sleeve and fix it into the buba body. And remember, our sewing allowance is 1 inch. You're going to pin it down. You need to pin it down, for easy sewing. Pinning does a lot, guys. just try to pin. If you're not the type that likes pinning, you're going to see how easy your life is going to be. So I'm just going to pin at the upper part, which is the shoulder area, and also at the armhole area, the armpit area. Then you're just going to use your 1 inch to sew round. You also do the same for the other side. When you do for one side, you do the same thing for the other side, and you take to the sewing machine, use your 1 inch sewing allowance, sew down, and you have your buba ready. And that is all about IRO and BUBA. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and if you have any tutorial you would want me to make, drop it in the comment section. And till we meet again in our next video. Bye.